Good morning and welcome to Family Computer Center. In this video, we will learn how to make a BMI calculating application using C++. So in this program, we are going to make a simple BMI calculator application using the arithmetic operators we have learned earlier. Okay, so BMI stands for body mass index. It is a measurement of person's weight with respect to his or her height. Okay, so to calculate the BMI, we have a formula which is weight in kilogram divided by height in meters square. Okay, so, and this is the categorization of BMI. If your BMI is 18.5 or less, you are considered as underweight, and 18.5 to 24.9 it is normal weight, and 25 to 29.9 is overweight, and 30 or higher, that means you are obese. This is the actual categorization of BMI. Okay, so what we want to do is, like, we want to read the person's height in centimeters and their weight also, and finally we have to tell him this is your BMI, and whether, like, we can show these categories below that, so he will understand whether he's underweight, normal weight, overweight, or something like that. Okay, be wondering, why did I write something like something with a slash star and a star slash? So if you write something in between slash star and star slash, it is called a comment in C++. Okay, so C++ actually supports two types of comments, which is single line comment and multi-line comment. So in this case here, I have written a multi-line comment which spans on multiple lines. Okay, and if I want to write a single line comment, I will be simply using double slash. So when I put a double slash at the beginning of this statement, it becomes a comment. So what is a comment? Comment is a statement written inside the program to increase the readability or understanding of the program. So these comment statements will not be executed by the compiler. So comment is just for you to explain something in your program, or when you come back to the program in a later stage, you can easily understand what does a particular thing stands for by adding the comment. So which type of comment you have to use is completely up to you, whether you want to use a multi-line comment or a single line comment, depends on the situation demands. Okay, so you can see here I have already declared the variable for height and height. So height in centimeter and height in meter, I use two variable because I'm going to read the height from the user in centimeters, and I will convert that into meter by dividing the height by 100. Okay, and we have a variable for reading the height also, and we have a variable for calculating the BMI also. So let's go ahead and read the height in centimeter and the weight. Okay, so I will write a cout statement. Okay, so I will start with a heading BMI calculator. Okay, then let's start a little bit away from the margin. I will use two tabs and one line break. Okay, and at the end I will make a line break, and I will have some stars so that it will be having a nice underline. Then I will make two line breaks. Okay, so that's my heading BMI calculator. Then after that I will ask them to enter their so I will say slash n, enter your height, and for easy understanding I will write in the bracket in centimeters. Okay, let me make a tab here and this one. Okay, then I will see into what, sorry, I will see into height underscore cm. So I read the height in cm, so I will repeat the same for the weight also. Let me copy this from here so it will be easy. So I will put enter your weight. Okay, and in kg, kilogram. Okay, then we will see in that weight. Okay, so now we have received height in centimeter and weight also. Okay, so first what we have to do is, like, if we want to convert the height in centimeter to height in meter, so what we are going to do is, like, height meter is equal to height centimeter divided by 100. So now we have height in meter also. Okay, then after that we will put like BMI equals, then we have already received the weight, so weight divided by, in bracket we will say height meter multiply height meter. So that's a square, like this multiply, same multiply and multiply again, so it becomes the square of the height meters. Okay, so now let's just print it out. So I will copy this statement simply for printing. Your BMI, and we will tell him BMI. Okay, then now we have to print this category, like, just we will have a cout statement for that. After 2 line breaks we can simply give the category. I'll just copy this from here to here. Okay, so far I believe our BMI calculator program is done, application is done. Let's try to compile it and check whether there is any error or not. So there is no error. So after compiling I will run this program. So we can see we have a nice little heading BMI calculator. So enter your height in centimeters. So I'm giving, like, my height is 165.3. then weight in kilogram, my weight is 75. So you can see BMI is calculated and it explains what does the result means. Okay, so we have reached the target to make the BMI calculator. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure that you subscribe to our channel so that you will not miss any further video we post.